Good afternoon, children. No, good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Fine.
Children, can you please mute?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yes, Brightlin. Who is calling me? Ananda. Yes, Ananda, please tell.
Ma'am, at 1:30, my brother's class will start.
So, this timetable change is not from me. Okay, this timetable, I don't know why it's changed. So, what do you have to do? You have any other phone or device?
Yes, ma'am, my father's phone.
Then please find some alternatives, okay? Or we will report to the
Yeah, ma'am.
teachers who are in charge of this timetable, okay? So children, please. So what you have to do, we are going to finish this chapter, Roman numerals. Question number 20, 21, 22. Only 3 more questions we have to complete. Yes? Okay. Now, children, our next class is at 1:30. That time, we will have one short test. It will be on 3.1 numbers, large numbers, and 3.2 Roman numerals, both. It is based on chapter 3. Chapter 3 means we have 3.1 and 3.2. You have to study the workbook, especially all the multiple choice and fill in the blanks. Because children, you know, this is a multiple choice questions. So what you have to study first, all the multiple choice questions and fill in the blanks of 3.1 and 3.2. Is that clear? Okay, children. Is there any doubt regarding this test?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
So
ma'am.
what you have to do, I want all the children to get good marks. It's
Ma'am,
not
ma'am.
a, it's
Okay,
not,
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
who is
Ma'am.
Okay,
calling?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we want to study fill in the blanks of textbook also.
Study from the workbooks. Okay, workbook only. So what you have to do now, multiple choice and fill in the blanks first. Then you can study all the word problems also, because that will help you to understand, even though we are not doing long answer or short answer questions, it will help you to understand the topic.
Ma'am, which chapter?
Chapter
Ma'am, today you had sent the notes one more time. Roman numerals.
Yeah, that
Ma'am, which
I have
chapter?
sent this before.
3.2. Yes,
I
ma'am.
think
One
Yes, ma'am, you
time.
have sent one time.
Yes, ma'am, you have sent this before.
okay. So Roman numerals, those who have not completed, they can complete. Okay, and
Okay,
this
ma'am.
workbook also we are going to complete today. Okay. So children, for the short test, children, you don't have to study like steps and all everything, but you have to understand the topic clearly. Chapter 3.1 and 3.2. I want all the children to get all the marks. It will be a short test, not 20 mark questions. Okay. So we are going to now do question number 20. Okay, question number 20. Rohit, can you please read question number 20? Rohit, please unmute.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Vaidiga scores MCL marks in the first semester and MDXX marks in the second semester.
Yes. First
Express
semester and second semester
express
marks.
Vaidika's total marks in Hindu Arabic numerals.
Okay. So children, what you have to do? You have to first write the marks of first semester and convert into Hindu Arabic numbers. And again, you have to write her marks in the second semester, then convert into Hindu Arabic. Then you have to add. Okay, children, can we do together? Take your books and start to write neatly. Children, all of you, please take your workbook and write question number 20. We are going to do together. So you can write the steps also neatly. So wait for me. Chinmay, please unmute and tell me, can you see the blackboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay,
Yes.
clearly.
Ma'am, it is a whiteboard.
It's a whiteboard? Okay. How is it now, Chinmay?
Ma'am, it is black.
Blackboard. Okay. So, question number 20. Question number 20. So, what the first step you have to write is Vaitika's score in first semester. Score in first semester. So, Chinmay, can you please say the marks in first semester in Roman numeral? What is given?
MCL.
M
C.
C L. Okay. So next step, what you will write? Vedika's score in second semester. Second semester. Okay, children. Yes, continue. I'm not repeating her name. If you want, you can read, or we can write score in second semester. Children, if you write Vaidika's score in second semester, that's correct. Okay, I don't want to repeat that name again here. That's why I'm writing score in second semester. Her score only we are writing. There is no other person here. Okay, Chris Joe, please unmute and say the marks in second semester.
MDXX.
Okay, very good. MDXX. Okay, MDXX. Okay, so next what you have to write, we have to convert MCL equals MCL equals. Isha, please unmute and tell me the value of M.
1000.
Yes, it's 1000. So we can write 1000 plus C
100.
100 plus
50.
50. Okay, can you add and tell me the answer?
The answer is 1150.
1150. Very good. 1150. Okay, Gautam, please unmute and say what's the next number? MDXX. MDXX. So 1000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, add and tell me the answer.
670.
What?
1520.
1520. Children, you have to, when you add, please see the place values. 1520. Now, what's the question? What's the, Gautam, please read the last sentence. Express.
Express total
Vaidika.
marks in Vaidika's total marks in Hindu-Arabic numerals.
Hindu-Arabic
Numerals.
numerals. So what do you have to do? We
Add
have
it.
to
Add
add
it.
MCL. The next step you can write like this. MCL plus MDXX. This is the left hand side we are writing Roman numerals, and the right side we have to add the in Hindu-Arabic 1150. That is that value for MCL. And what is the value of MDXS? 5.
1520.
Tell me the answer total. Now let me ask Brightlin. Please unmute. Can you say the final answer? Add these.
Hear you properly.
Can you add these two numbers and tell me the answer? Yes, Brightlin, can you hear me? Add these two. Let me see who is getting the answer.
Ma'am,
Ah.
ma'am, can I?
Okay, Rohit, please unmute.
I'm 2,607.
Okay, very good. 2,670. Okay, so this is the total marks Vaidiga scored in first and second semester. Okay, together. So we can write one more sentence. If you do you have place?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can write Vaidiga scored a total of Vaidigas. Vaidiga scored a total of 2,670 marks. Okay, Vaidiga scored a total of 2,670 marks. So what do you do? How we have written this year score in Vaidiga score in first semester, second semester. Then we have to MCL, MDXs. We have converted into Hindu Arabic numbers. Then what's the question? You have to find the total. So we have added these two, and the last sentence we have written Vaidigas scored a total of 2670 marks. Children, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am,
not
ma'am, I didn't complete.
Who?
Ma'am, I meant.
Amen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am,
Ayman, I will show you the screen one more time.
question
Okay.
the clock picture is given, right? In
What?
that, in the ma'am, in the soul, ma'am, 18th question, right?
Hmm.
18th question.
Yes, yes.
In the 18th question, in the solution space, we should write only the time.
Only the time. Yes, only the time.
Ma'am.
Yes, only the time.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Who is calling? Anthony? Which one?
Ma'am, I written MCL plus problem. Kelly when coming.
Okay. Okay.
And can you share the screen?
What you're saying, Anthony, I'm not clear. It's not clear.
Ma'am, return MCL plus MDXs. But in adding rule,
Actually, we have converted that into Hindu Arabic numbers. No?
Excuse me,
Only
ma'am.
that values we are adding. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Ayman, I'll
Can
share
you-
the screen one more time. Yes,
Okay,
fast.
ma'am. Then no
Okay.
need root. Ma'am, then no need root.
Huh?
Then
Here we are finding these answers in Hindu Arabic. So we are converting MCL into 1150 in Hindu Arabic. Also, we have converted MDXs into Hindu Arabic. We are adding that numbers. Okay.
The total number is 3.
Okay. I am in write faster. We have to complete this chapter, or I will send these notes later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So question number 21. Abhimanyu. Finished? Okay. Now, Manu, can you read question number 21?
Ma'am,
Yes.
add MCXV and DCVII.
Okay. So we have
Ma'am?
to, yes, we have to add like this only. We have to convert first. Okay. What do you have to do? You have to find out the value. Then we, so question number 21, we are going to write now. Question number 21. Add MCXV. So first you have to find the value of MCXV. Okay. Blesswin, please unmute. Blesswin. Okay. What's the value of M?
1000.
1000. Very good. So we have to write 1000 plus C?
100.
100. Very good. Then what about X?
10.
10. Then plus 5. Find out the answer and tell me. Add these number and tell me. Blesswin. You can write in your rough book and find the answer.
1000. 1115.
Very good. 1115. Okay. You can mute. Next one we have DCVII. DCVII. Felix Naijo, please unmute. Felix, please unmute. Felix? Anina, please unmute. Anina, please unmute. Can you say the value of D, Anina?
500.
500 plus
100.
C is what? C is
100.
100. Okay. Then
5.
5. Okay. Plus
Plus 1 plus 1.
1 plus 1. Okay. Find out the answer and tell me. 500 plus 100 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. What's the answer, Anina?
607.
607. 607. Very good. Now what you have to do? You have to add this value and this value together. So we can write, either you can write this plus MCXV plus DCVII equals 1115 plus 607. Okay, Alim, please add and tell me the answer. Alim, please add in your rough book and tell me the answer. Please unmute. Find out the answer and tell me. Anusri, over? Okay, please unmute and say the answer.
1722.
1722. All of you got the same answer? Yes, Alim, you got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
1000. Tell me the answer again. Alim.
1722.
1722. All of
Ma'am,
you.
can you mute?
Yes, yes, mute. Children, completed. All of you. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Students can do the last question, question number 22.
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
not completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any?
Ma'am, you should write MDCCSSII. You should write like that.
Which one?
Ma'am, that is 21 question.
No,
You
no.
should-
We just want to add. No need to convert again into Roman. Okay. They
Okay,
told
ma'am.
us to just add. So we have to convert first into Hindu Arabic, then add the number. That's all. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me,
Now
ma'am.
we are going to do last question.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Practice question also we should do. We
No,
can
no,
do.
we are only completing this till here, question number 22.
Okay, ma'am.
Then by the time I think the period will be over, then you can study if you want. Then for you have to be prepared for our test.
Ma'am, if we need, we can read practice question.
You can do. You can do that. We can discuss later. Okay. First, we will complete this question. Question number 21. It's over. I'm going to erase. Okay. I hope all of you have completed. So the last question number, John Sebi. John Sebi, can you hear me? Please unmute and speak. Please unmute. Can you hear me, John? Okay, Richard, please unmute. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read question number 22?
Question number 22. Which is larger?
Which is
MDC
larger?
larger. MDCLHV or MDCCLHIH?
Okay, you have to find out which is the largest one. To compare, what do you have to do? We have to convert first into no Roman numerals.
numbers.
Okay, so first we have to write the question that MDCL
HV
Can you say, Richard, the values of M?
1000
Okay, 1000
plus 500
plus 500
plus 50
C. What's the value of C?
plus 50.
Huh? What about L? M is 1000, D is 500. What about C?
300
100. Yes, 100
plus 50
plus 50
plus 10
plus 10 plus
5.
5. Okay, find out the answer and tell me.
1665.
1665.
665.
1665. Okay, like that you have to find out the next value. MDCC.
LHIH.
Okay, now Richard, please mute. Nandida, please unmute. Nandida, unmute. Nandida, please unmute. Nandida, please unmute. Amanat, please unmute. Amanat. Devak, please unmute. Devak.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Can you say these values? M
1000 plus
1000
500 plus
plus 500
plus
plus
100
100
plus
plus
100
100
plus 50
plus, I will write below here, 50
50
Plus?
plus 10
10 plus
plus 9.
9. Children, please see the last two digits together. That is 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, you know that is 10 minus 1, that is 9. Okay. So we have to add 1000. Can you complete that, Devak? 1000 plus.
1769.
Once more.
1769.
1769. Very good. And can you, who can say Anandesh? Can you see the board, Anandesh? Please unmute. Please unmute. Okay, Pranav. Pranav, you please unmute. Okay, now which is the largest one, children? Can you say? We have
1769.
1769
is the largest one.
Okay. So 1769 is largest. So we have to write the last step. Okay.
Anandesh.
Yes, Anandesh.
The largest.
Ma'am, what did you ask?
This one only I asked and I didn't. I think some network issue. That's why I asked the together. Okay.
Ma'am, it is slow, ma'am.
That's why I understood. That's why I asked all the children. So what you have to do? 1769 is greater than 1665. So which one is the largest? So we have to write. So MDCCLXIX. This one is larger.
1, 6, 5. So,
Okay. So to find out which one is larger, what we were doing, we have to find out the two values of MDCLXV. We have to convert into Hindu Arabic numeral. So what answer we got? We got 1665. And the next number, that is MDCCLXIX. So when we converted that, what's the answer you got? 1769. So this is larger. MDCCLXIX is larger. Children, okay?
Can write largest. Ma'am, we can write largest. Ma'am, can we write?
Which is larger? We have only, you have studied English grammar, no? We have only two numbers. So one will be small, one will be large. If one more is there, we can say that is largest. Yes. So here we have the question is which is larger. So you can write larger. If there are three children or three numbers, we can say that is largest. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, we have completed this Roman numerals. Okay. So our chapter 3 is over. So today we will do revision plus short test on chapter 3, and the next day we will start our chapter 4.
okay, ma'am.
Chapter 4.
Addition and
I finished the addition and subtraction large numbers.
So children, okay, very good. So children, I want you to study the conversion, that is, what's that?
Ma'am, you're muted.
You're muted.
Only that is the problem?
Ma'am, you're muted. Ma'am, you're muted.
Now it's not. Yes? Can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Do you hear me?
Something we
Yes,
can't.
ma'am.
Yes. So children, take your
Yes, ma'am, we can
3.1, all of you. I think the time is up now.
One more minute.
1 more minute only. So what you have to do now, study till 1 to 10 questions now in your mind. Just understand what are the things, okay. So how many lakhs equal to 1 million? How many lakhs? Okay, and then what is that number name? 1 lakh is equal to how many thousands? Like that and all. Study faster. Now children, I hope in between you have only one period English literature. Yes. So you have enough time to study 3.1 and 3.2. Okay. So children, we will
Finish,
wind
ma'am.
up the session now. Okay. Bye.
Ma'am, thank you. Bye. Can say ma'am.
First,
Thank you, ma'am.
Children, it's not
spirit
clear.
class test.
Yes,
Thank
class
you,
test.
ma'am.
Short class test at 1:30 p.m.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
study well. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye-bye.